In this video, you are going to learn how to make $45.38 in sales over and over again, whether it's per day, twice a day, once per week, every once in a while. And I'm also going to show you how I've been making 200 to 300% return on investment with this exact strategy and blueprint. So what I'm saying is, for every dollar I spend, I'm getting $2 to $3 back in return. So what this is going to include around, yes, it's going to be affiliate marketing, but we are going to leverage the power of virality and trends to get sales. And that's actually going to be a lot easier than you think, because I'm going to show you a tool that literally gives you a map, a digital map on where specific products, where specific keywords, where specific trends are trending in the various different countries right now. So we can go and leverage that, capitalize on that, and really blow up in sales. So the first thing I'm going to do is, before we go and choose our product, I'm going to put this video into a nice structured step-by-step system. We're going to start off by finding which specific keywords is trending in specific countries. Then after that, we're going to go choose our product. I'll show you the exact product I'm using. Then I'm going to go show you how I've been promoting this, what kind of funnel and model I've been doing to get these kind of sales. And if you just watch this until the end, I'm going to show you exactly how you can download all of this at the click of a button. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to a tool called trends.google.com. So I often use this tool with affiliate marketing and drop servicing to find topics that are trending right now. So one thing, a niche that I like at the moment, with a lot of people being at home, doing home workouts, want to lose weight, want to get fit, that's something I've been targeting a lot lately. So what we can search is, we can search on Google Trends, how to lose weight. So if I click on search, you will see over here, currently throughout May and April, have a look at how big this trend and the spike in graph has really spiked up throughout May. It's because people at home, it's the pandemic, people want to exercise. They're trying to find out ways to lose weight from home. So that's why it's spiking up a lot at the moment. But have a look at this. If I go filter this by worldwide, we can actually see on this graph the particular countries that this keyword is trending in. So you'll see Australia at a score of 60, so this is trending there. United States 62, Canada 51, let's go Ethiopia 74, South Africa, which is my home country, 100. So that means most of the people on the internet in South Africa today are searching on Google how to lose weight. You can even see here, how to lose weight during quarantine. How did Adele lose all of her weight? How much should I run to lose weight fast? How much should you run to lose weight fast? So these are all keywords that are trending right now, as you can see in the various different countries. And we are going to leverage this to blow up sales with a specific affiliate product in the weight loss niche. So I've kind of got this entire video set up. I kind of got an idea of how I want to promote this product, what I'm going to go do. So we need to go and choose a product. So we can use multiple different affiliate networks, whether it's ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, there's many different ones. My favorite is ClickBank. You will find a lot of weight loss products on that specific platform. So I'm going to head over to ClickBank, and I'm also just going to head over to my dashboard quickly to show you that I am getting sales from this and where these sales are coming from. So I've come over to my reporting tab, on my transactions tab, just to show you where each and every detailed sale is coming from. So you'll see right here, today being the 31st, I've hit 2 sales today of $45 and $42.97. But not all of that is profit. On this total $80, $90 I've made today, I've spent about $20 to $30. So you can see throughout this campaign, 31st, 1 sale yesterday, 1 sale on the 2 sales on the 29th, 1 on the 28th, 27th. So it's been about $40 to $80 a day. And that's about $50 on average profit per day. Considering I'm not really investing a lot into this, I've just started with it, the profit has been really good. And you can see it's coming from my Google ads and Google leads. And I'm going to show you exactly where we're going to get this from in a bit. So just to show you, this is my live dashboard as well, and not any kind of screenshot on the screen. You'll see if I refresh my screen, you can see this is my live dashboard. So the next thing that we're going to do is we need to head over to the marketplace to go and find a product. So I've come over to ClickBank Marketplace. You'll see there's a button up top here. You click on Marketplace. It's going to pop up with a page like this. You just want to click on Find Products over here. Click on the search button and it will pop up with all these products. You want to filter by gravity, which is the top selling products right now. And you will see the top 3 products. 2 of them have got to do with weight loss. the Lepitox Use Commissions, which is a weight loss like a drink kind of a product, the custom keto diet plan, which is the product I've specifically been promoting, that where you're going to get your $45.38 per sale. And this is currently number 3 on ClickBank with a gravity of 372. So this is a product that is blowing up right now, completely trending. And I want to show you something really cool. So I've got this landing page over here. This new guide reveals the keto secrets used to lose 22 pounds in 28 days. Basically gives what this book is about and how you can get your copy, a little bit more about it, some 5-star rating guides, and also another button that says how to get your copy. So the whole idea around this is I've created this landing page with this like free ebook, or this ebook marked down from like $49 to $1 to hook in people into my affiliate link, which will take them to a keto plan quiz. So you'll see when I actually click on this custom keto plan, it will take me to their website. If I click on get your custom diet plan, they actually have like this custom quiz for your client that lands on this page, which is really cool. So you want to hook people into this. So what I've been doing with that, I've been using the this like what you call a $1 cash machine funnel, where I mark down this ebook and really hook people into this. You will see when people click on get your copy now. And don't worry, I'm going to explain to you how this whole funnel works. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can download this done for you system. You'll see that you can actually enter a coupon. So the original price of this ebook is $29. But when someone enters the coupon Keto VIP, click on apply, they are going to get $28 off. And you want them to enter the coupon manually because it kind of gives them this idea that they're getting this really good price off, because that coupon we're actually going to promote on the advert, which is really what's going to hook people in. So you'll see when they continue, they enter their details over here. They then pay for this product, which is the $1 submit payment. Once that's done, it's going to take them to a page that looks like this. You can see step 2.5 out of 3. Your purchases have been sent to your email, but we have one more secret weapon. Imagine if you could take an ultra fast shortcut to ketosis, and imagine if you could boost your fat burning speed. So this is basically like an upsell to that affiliate product. And you'll see, well, now you can, with this customized quiz and video for you to help you lose weight. And then you can see I've got this like picture of this video that I just took a screenshot off the actual affiliate page of the custom keto diet. And then I've got your watch free video and take a quiz. This is where we're going to put our affiliate link. So you'll see on this page over here, you can click on the affiliate marketplace of ClickBank. You can click on promote product. It will pop up with this. My tracking ID, I like to put in, you can put in any tracking ID. So if you're going to run a Facebook ad, you can put FB ads so you know where these sales are coming from. It's nice to create this. So let's just do Google. We can then click on generate hop links. We can copy this hop link. We want to come back to our building page over here. You want to then add your affiliate link to the specific button. So you'll see when I click on text or link, sorry, we're going to go link to a external URL, and we're going to paste our affiliate link over here, and we're going to click on apply. Same thing with this picture. We're going to edit this picture. We're going to click on link. We're going to go link to external URL, and we're going to paste our hop link. So when people click on this video and click on this button, it's going to take them to this page over here. You'll see custom keto diet, which will got this whole free training and masterclass for them on how to lose weight, and then they can take their diet. And then once you make a sale on this, you're going to get your $45.38 commission. So what I've also set up is just to get even more sales and see more revenue. You will see on this checkout page, this is now of the $1 ebook, people enter their email to obviously get their ebook. But now if people click off the checkout and they decide not to buy the product, I actually have a system or a little tag in place that tags these people. All right, this person clicked off the checkout, didn't buy the ebook. So I will then target them with a whole bunch of emails saying, hey, your ebook is still at 99% off. Click on this email to go and get it if you still want it. Then the next day I'll remind them again and remind them again until they unsubscribe from that email list, just to get them into that funnel. So people that are not interested in the product right now, I like to use the emailing system, which is all included in the system that I'm going to show you how to download later. It's just a nice way to get people back into the product later on. Same thing when people do go and buy the product. I've got another emailing system that looks like it's from a nice keto support that will then give them support, give them any help, any extra products, any other upsells, which is really cool. So after I've set this up, we obviously need to go and promote this. This is where we're going to come back to Google Trends. So right now, to go and promote this particular weight loss product in South Africa is a good choice because it's trending there. How to lose weight is a big trending niche there right now. So we can head over to either Google Ads. Let's go to Google Ads, or we can do Facebook ads. If I come over to here, get more customers with Google Ads, start now. I would say Google Ads and YouTube ads is also very good for this. We can then click over here, new campaign. We're going to click on web traffic because we want to get traffic to our landing page. We're going to choose search, and then we're going to enter our business's website. So we're going to come back to this bulletproof landing page, this keto page, and we're going to paste this URL that you've now created of this landing page on your business's website. So we can go, for example, youtube.com. So I'm not going to put my actual page there because what people will do is they will go to that page, they will take pictures, take all the content without even asking for the copyright rights. So I don't really show that on my channel, but I'm literally showing you exactly how I do it. So you would paste your link to this specific ad, obviously not your affiliate link. You want to do it to a landing page because Google Ads will most likely block your affiliate link. So I'm just going to put jaredfroneman.com, which is one of my websites. We don't have to worry about create conversion action. We can just click on continue and continue with our ad. So our campaign name, we can put keto diet. Our social network, we can have includes Google search engine partners. We can have that checked. Locations, I'm choosing South Africa only because that's where this is trending the most right now. Languages, English, we want to keep that English. Audiences, we can filter down to audience. So we can go health, for example, because we don't want to target people with health products that are perhaps in the finance industry. It's not going to make sense because we're wasting money on those ads. So we can do healthcare and education. We can go fitness, fitness products and services, fitness classes, gym and athletic clubs, sports and fitness, weights and strength training, exercise equipment, yoga apparel, activewear, running apparel, sporting goods, sports and fitness. Let's go swimming enthusiasts, health and fitness buffs, beauty and wellness are all niches that we can choose. So that is perfectly for that. The budget, so I've been spending about 250 Rand per day, which is about $20 per day, to see about $40 to $50, some days even $80, which is over 1,500 Rand. So I've been making 200 to 300% return on investment. You can start off small. If you want to start off with $5 a day, $10 a day, I'm just going to go 250, for example. And then you want to focus on clicks for your bidding, and we can leave this as is. We can then click on save and continue. We don't have to worry about any ad extensions. Click on save and continue, which will take us to this next page over here. Then we can name the group of this ad, which is basically like a subcategory. So we can go keto diet group. And then for all of our keywords, this is all the keywords that we want to rank for. So the first one is how to lose weight. We can also go back to Google Trends and we can have a look at some of these other related keywords that are trending. So we can go, for example, how to lose weight during quarantine. How to lose weight during quarantine. We can also do, for example, how did Adele lose all of her weight? And you want to copy these keywords that are getting lots of attention right now in the world, especially South Africa. So how much should I run to lose weight fast? So you want to put that here. And to get even more keyword ideas, you can use a tool called keywordtool.io. You can paste the keyword, for example, how to lose weight, and it will come up with more suggestions related to this keyword, such as how to lose weight fast, how to lose weight in 3 days, how to lose the weight with water, quickly, at home, in a month, during lockdown, etc. So you can use a lot of these top keywords, paste them into your ad, and those are other keywords that are also trending right now that you can rank for. So we're going to click on continue. We can then create what our ad looks like. So for headline 1, we can put new guide reveals keto secrets Adele used to lose weight fast, because that's something that's been searching a lot. It's something that's been trending right now, is that whole Facebook picture where Adele lost all of her weight. So this is something we can utilize to trend. For headline 3, we can put, for example, if I go back to this landing page, lost 22 pounds in 28 days. So we can go lost 22 pounds in 28 days, for example, just like that. So you can see this is what our ad is starting to look like. And then for the description, we can have, if you're serious about achieving permanent fat loss and complete health, ... read more. You kind of want people to click on it to read more, so they actually click on your ad. For description 2, we don't even need to have that. And for any URL options, we don't need to worry about that. Once that's done, we can save and continue. And once your campaign is ready, it's going to pop up with a message like this saying your campaign is ready. You can then click continue campaign and run this campaign. But obviously I haven't set this campaign up to my exact URL because I'm not going to show that. However, you would run this exactly as is, and how I've set it up here is exactly how I've set up my previous ads. I've also done YouTube ads with this as well as Facebook ads. So there's many different ways that you can go about this. You can also use free traffic if you want to do Facebook engagement groups like food groups in South Africa, because that's where it's trending, is a good place to start. If you want to go to Twitter, Quora, answer questions on Quora, engage with the community there. There's many ways to start with free traffic first and then always scale up into paid traffic. But that's it for this video on exactly how you can make 200 to 300% profit per day. That's $40, as much as you want, depending on how much you're going to invest into the ads. The more and more you will see in return with something like this. So if you want this exact funnel, I will leave a link down below to where you can get this funnel plus over $5,000 worth of other bonuses completely for free. So make sure you click on that first link in the description so you can go and get that. And on the screen, I will also leave a link or a little element to my affiliate marketing playlist where you can go and check out all my different traffic methods, apply that to a strategy like this, and start off by getting some sales, scale into paid ads, and grow more and more. That's how a business starts. So make sure you go and click on the screen over here, and I'll see you there.